Hello dear students, how are you? Fine? Good. How are you with your lessons? Do you study your lessons? Good? So, let's go on to our today's lesson. Our today's lesson is about the first page that we want to study, that is 56 up to 60. In page 56 we have a title by the name of active and passive. Active and passive. Of course that you are known with this title, active and passive voice. Here is the definition and also the example that you can take help. And the next one in here about simple present tense. It is a short information, a short definition from what simple present tense, and you can take help from here. And then we have a reading. Our words of reading is here, and try to take help from these words. So jump on your books. Yeah, page 56 in here. Page 56, grammar. Okay, revising the present simple tense. It is a revision of simple present tense and also active passive voice. Here are the notes. Pay attention, here are the notes and try to study with yourselves. So, just I want to go to introduce these things and remind these titles for you. The first, active and passive. What is this? Active, and active refers to the action done on the subject. It is the definition of active. But it means the passive, but a passive indicates that the action is done by someone. In passive, the someone is not known for us. That is, a person by the name of, we can say X, unknown person. X, it means unknown person. And in here, we have the examples. I do the homework. I do the homework. The homework is done by me. The homework is done by me. He speaks English. He speaks English. And then we want to change it to passive. English is spoken by him. English is spoken by him. So, in here we have a simple present tense. Simple present tense, the definition is like this. Simple present tense show habitual action, daily activity, general facts, universal truth. General facts and universal truths. So, in this page that you are going to study about this revising of simple present tense and also active passive voice, here is talking about these general facts. It means facts in the world. So, in here pay attention, the first one, and here are the next one that they make questions. And also in here also we have changes. Try to study this page with your own selves, and then you can take help from this definition, from these examples, and also from this definition of simple present tense, and also from the formulas that you should find it. And the next one from these words. It is about reading. Try to pay attention in this part when we are going to your readings. So jump on to the next page. Page 57. Yeah, page 57 and 58. Here is an activity that you should do with your own self and take care of these orders, that what they are telling for you. For example, in part A, what is it one? In the following sentences, the bolded words, for example, a planet, are singular. Rewrite the sentences making the bolded words plural. Example, plants. Change the verb if necessary. So, in this part, they want to change all them and make the plural form of the bolded words. So, in here also they want something, and here try to read these orders and then act according to these orders. So, in this page also we have exercises. Try to do it. And page 59. Yeah, 59. In here we have the passage, and I'm gonna to help you in reading of this passage. So be careful about the reading. Reading. Earth, planet. Earth, planet. Earth's place in space. Earth's place in space. The Sun has 9 planets. The 4 planets that are nearest to it have solid surfaces. Earth is the third of these inner planets. Most of the outer planets are balls of gases, so their surfaces are not solid. Some statistics. Earth is about twice as big as Mars. Its diameter is around 12,000 points to 700 kilometers. There are approximately 365 days in a year on Earth. That is the time it takes to make a complete orbit of the Sun. There are 24 hours in a day. This is the time it takes to spin once around its own axis. The atmosphere. Earth has an atmosphere around it. Its gases consist of about 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Some of the other planets have atmosphere. However, their gases are not the same as Earth's. They do not contain water vapor either. The atmosphere. The Earth's axis is not vertical. It is tilted at an angle of about 13 centigrade. As it goes around the Sun, different parts become closer to it. For this reason, the Earth has seasons. Summer is the hemisphere that is near to the Sun. Winter is the one that is further away. So next page. Spring and autumn occur between these times. The average temperature is 12 centigrade. Inside Earth. The Earth's hard surface looks stationary, but it is not. It moves very slowly because the inside of the Earth is very hot. The surface, sometimes called the Earth's crust, lies on rock, but the heat from the center of the Earth sometimes melts the rocks. Thus, the crust floats on the liquid rocks. Water. On Earth's surface, water is found in 2 more forms. As solid ice, it is found mostly near the North Pole and South Pole. Elsewhere, it is liquid. In rain, streams, rivers, and most lakes, it is fresh water. In the sea, it is salt water. So, life on Earth. Earth is unique. It is the only known planet that has got life on it. Life cannot exist on any of the other planets in our solar system. Their atmosphere's temperatures or lack of water make life impossible. This is why we must care for our planet. It is the only place where we can live. Yeah, it is really important. So take care of your planet. So this was the reading about page 59 and 60. Yeah, here were. Try to read it with your own self, and then you can solve your problems from these words. So again, I want to tell you your homeworks. Do not forget your homeworks. So first, you read this and make power your active passive voice and then your simple present tense. In this page, do these exercises according to their orders, and also this page. This page was reading. Try to make yourself known to this passage, and also try to solve your problems by these words. And if you got more problem, you can take help from dictionaries and these things more. It was our today's lesson. Thanks a bundle.